What if? If you studied English hard, what will you do? If I studied English hard, I will be an excellent teacher for a major university. If you only had 24 hours to live, what would you do? If I only had 24 hours to live, I will spend all the time with my family enjoying them. I failed my English test. If I had studied more, I would. It failed my English test. If I had studied more, I would not have failed the English exam. If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, what can I do? If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, I can look it up in the English dictionary. If you could be an animal, what animal would you be? If I could be an animal, I will be an owl for his wisdom. If you hadn't studied this career, which other would you have studied and why? If I had not studied this career, I would have studied psychology because I like to help people with their problems. If it rains tomorrow, I will wear rain boots and waterproof jacket. What happens if your smartphone falls into the toilet? If my cell phone falls into the bathroom, there is no problem because it is against water. If you could be invisible for a day, what would you do and why? If I could be invisible for a day, I could prank my friends because I like pranks. Babies cry if they if the babies cry, it is because they are hungry. It rained really hard yesterday and you could not do what you planned to do. If it had not rained, what would you have done? If it rained, I would have played volleyball. If I eat a lot of fat food, I will get fat. Thank you very much.